String formatting is an essential feature in Python that allows you to create dynamic and readable strings by inserting variables into them. This guide will introduce you to the two most common methods of string formatting, helping you understand their syntax, use cases, and differences.
Let's start with the first. It consists in calling the method format on a string containing placeholders for the values that you want to print. There are several ways to manage the placeholders. Let's see them one by one. The first is the positional method. With this approach, placeholders are replaced by the corresponding values based on the order they appear into the string. Like in this example, first placeholder will get the value of the first value, and so on for each value. Remember, a mismatch between the number of placeholders and the number of values will cause an error. Let's see it in action. The second method consists in numbering the placeholders. Placeholder 0 will be replaced with the first value, placeholder 1 with the second, and so on. As you can see, you can use the same value more than once, as long as you are consistent with the order of the values. Let's see it in action. The third method consists in naming the placeholders. Like in the example, there must be an exact match between the names of the placeholders and the name of the values. Let's see how it works.
Let's see now a method called fstrings that provides a more concise and readable way to format strings. An f-string is created by adding the prefix f to the string itself and by inserting expressions enclosed in curly braces. Expressions can be as simple as a variable, but also math formulas, like in this example. Understanding how to format strings effectively is a vital skill in Python programming. Both string format and fstrings offer powerful ways to create dynamic strings, but they cater to different needs and preferences. F-strings are generally preferred for their simplicity and performance, while string format is useful for compatibility with older Python versions. As you continue learning Python, practice using both methods to become comfortable with string formatting, ensuring your code remains clean, readable, and efficient. Did you like this short clip? Want to dig more into Python? Visit shedcoders.com and join one of our sessions. Links are in the comments below. Shed Coders. Code your future. Now.